we are required to teach our children history. Why are we so eager to bulldoze history when they can learn history just by looking at some of these buildings?
Plans to tear down a school building almost 90 years old are on hold tonight. Good evening, and thanks for joining us. Today, a judge granted a temporary restraining order to a group seeking to prevent the old South Park High School building from being torn down.
Freedom fight, never die! Freedom fight, never die!
Former students cheered and sang as they gathered today to hear the announcement. Judge Bob Wortham granted the restraining order to the Beaumont Heritage Society and set a hearing for July 14th. The former South Park High School has been scheduled to be torn down this summer as part of the Beaumont School District's $389 million bond package. The society hired an attorney who says the school can be refurbished and the district could use the money for other projects.
It is perfectly able to be used as a school if, we were to put some of that $26.7 million into the school to restore it. It could be restored for a whole lot less, I believe, and I think that analysis would substantiate, than to bulldoze this school and to build a new.
Attempts to contact the superintendent and a board member were unsuccessful. BISD Assistant Superintendent Terry Ingram had no comment. District Judge Bob Wortham says one of the arguments that prompted him to grant the restraining order is the Heritage Society's contention the district didn't follow proper guidelines for dealing with buildings deemed historic marks. He says he is not ruling on the merits of the case, adding the Heritage Society must offer facts in an attempt to prove its case in court during the hearing.